Traders, Sage FT, live trading desk, sageft.com. All right, what a wonderful stream that was. We absolutely freaking nailed it. Setting the lay of the land, right? You're starting to get the draw, the sell side liquidity levels on the NQ. NQ has been the catalyst for all of the weakness and then the rotation into healthcare and that kind of thing, out of tech into healthcare. So you see that we got up into this order block and they sold. All right, so now what were we looking for? Well, let me show you. It's all drawn here. Okay, this is the support level. The first, and also the first touch of the 200 simple on the daily chart on the NQ in a very, very long time. Now this is where they like to buy it, right? So you have to wait for the sell stop to be created before you start looking for any sort of longs, right? Because this could be a head fake. Okay, but the way that we played it was we were looking for something to tell us either we're going to continue with the trend on the 15-minute chart, which I'll show you in a minute, or are we going to bounce at a certain point? Let's take a look. Okay, let's dive down. Let's go to the 4-hour. Getting closer. Okay, notice that they're holding that line as tight as they can. All right, now let's go to the 15-minute chart and let's take a look at this. Okay, this is what a draw on liquidity looks like. This is what a draw on liquidity looks like. So what they have here is, if you think about this as some sort of Wyckoff, this is the spring, right? Okay, you've got accumulation, distribution, spring, accumulate, boink. So what we were looking for was, okay, from here over was shorting, okay? And then once we went above this, no mas, right? That's the draw on liquidity you're looking for on a pin bar. Here, I'll draw it. That's the draw on liquidity that you're looking for. Those 6 ticks right there are the most devastating 6 ticks you've ever seen for shorts. What I kept pointing out was, if you just look at, you can do this on a 2-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute chart. It doesn't matter. Look at this. Every draw on liquidity. And now I'm not saying it's going to keep going up forever. I'm talking about past tense when we were down here. Every draw on liquidity. Look at this. Couple ticks here. Couple ticks here. Ooh. Okay, so now what are we looking for? Well, waiting to go back into position 1 and look for the sellers to go again. Okay, I'm done for the week. Okay, I had 3 green days. I had 2 days where I didn't trade at all because I got in my own head. Right. So let's talk about this. Yeah, every once in a while your coach will get in his own head. Right. I am a human being. Right. But all I can do is once I get in my own head, I gotta take a step back, unscale. Scale down, undress, bring it back, come back, and execute. Just like you guys saw me do, right? Had a great Monday. Didn't trade Tuesday or Wednesday, even though I was sitting there. You can see the frustration on my face, okay? Everyone goes through it. How do you snap back from it is the key to this whole thing. Folks, I want to remind you of this. This is the only place you're going to hear this. Your edge in trading is knowing when and where not to trade. I'm going to give you an excellent example. Those of you that are sitting at the dining room table and you got 2 dogs and 3 kids running around, phone ringing, wife cooking dinner, they're being innocent. But what they don't know is they are absolutely ruining your chances of success. It's not their fault. It's your fault. You know you're not supposed to be sitting at the dining room table, and here's how I'm going to prove this to you. Goldman Sachs' traders are not sitting at their dining room tables with 2 dogs, 3 kids, and a wife or husband sitting there making noise around them. That's going to do it for me. I'd like to thank all of you on all socials for the attendance that we have had over the last week. It's absolutely wonderful. We are on kick.com, x.com, and facebook.com to find the group $ES_F, and you will see it. We have 46, almost 4,700 people in there now. Come join us. Lively room. We've got a free Discord, discord.gg/SageFT. I'll see everybody. I'll see you in the Discord. I'll see you Sunday night. I'll see you Monday morning across all platforms. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.